What is going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on Super Duper Tech. And in today's video I'll be unboxing both colours of the Apple HomePod in space grey and white. And if you are interested in seeing my full and in-depth review of this product, then be sure to hit that subscribe button to be notified when I upload that video. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So the first thing that I want to get into talking about is the pricing of the HomePod. Now for either the white or space grey colour, in the United Kingdom it's going to set you back around £319. And if you are in the United States, it is going to set you back around $349. In terms of its design, it is around the same height as an iPhone 8 Plus at around 6.8 inches, and it's also around 5.6 inches wide. On the top of the device there is a circular touchscreen which allows you to interact with it. There is also a non-detachable braided power cord which has an approximate length of around 2 meters. The final thing which comes included in the box is of course the documentation, and the first of these is of course a quick start guide which gives you a general overview on how to get the product started up, along with some simple instructions on how to use it. But you don't need to worry about that, as I will of course go over the setup process very shortly. And the second piece of documentation that you'll receive is of course the health and safety documentation, which is then followed up by details on your Apple 1-year limited warranty and a single Apple sticker. So just as I was saying earlier, included with the HomePod is of course the braided power cable. Now unfortunately, like other Apple products like the iMac, this power cable cannot be detached from the device. Now if you're wondering how to go about setting up a device which doesn't even have a single physical button, then keep watching, as the setup process isn't really that difficult. If you've ever owned any AirPods or Beats speakers which come with the W1 chip, then you'll know that the setup process on those is as easy as holding up your phone next to the device. You'll then be prompted on your iPhone screen to go through the setup process on the HomePod. Now that's as easy as selecting what room the HomePod's going to be in, and then selecting whether you want to send and receive text messages, accepting to the terms and conditions, along with accepting whether you want to have location services enabled. And soon after that, your HomePod will go through the setup process, which normally takes about 30 seconds to complete. And once the HomePod has been successfully set up, you'll hear it make a sound just to signal that it is ready to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say hey Siri. Let's try it. Say, hey Siri, what could you do?
So then guys, that has been it for today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did enjoy it, then be sure to smack that like button, and if you are new around here, then why not subscribe to be notified when I upload my next video. If you have got any questions with what you've seen or heard in today's video, then be sure to hit me up on my social media. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.